A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to Narana Live Classes. Let's see our today's assignment. First, we are going to discuss a paragraph based question answers. This is known as RTC. First, we'll read this para and then we'll discuss the question answers related to this paragraph. Let's read the para first. After the emperor had left, a crowd of people came to see me. I was a novelty in that island because these people had never seen someone of my size before. Some of the tiny people aimed arrow at me. One arrow nearly shot into my eye. These people were handed over to me to punish as I pleased. To give them a fright, I pretended I was going to eat one of them, and I put the others in my pocket. When I took my penknife, they were terrified, but I cut the cord of each of these tiny people and put them on the ground. People went to tell the emperor who in return of my kindness to his people decided that I would not to be killed. On the emperor's order, 6 cows and 40 sheep were to be milked every day to provide me with milk. My clothes were to be made by 300 tailors, and I was to have 600 attendants to look after me. I was to be taught the local languages by 6 teachers. So, this was our paragraph. Now let's see the question answers. Why did a crowd of people come to see the author? What was strange about our author? Why they all were visiting him? A crowd of people came to see the author because he was a novelty in that island. He was different in size and he was a kind of different creature for all of them. That's why they all were visiting. What did the emperor decide? The emperor decided not to kill him. Write the word from the passage which means very small. According to the passage, tiny is the meaning of very small. Write the word from the passage which means give. According to the passage, give means provide. Answer the following questions. Who was the intruder? What made him visit the hermit? The intruder was enemy of the king. He had planned to attack the king but was instead attacked by the king's bodyguard as they had recognized him. He had received a wound in his stomach. He rushed towards the hermit's hut for help. The next question is, why did the hermit want to know answers to 3 questions? The king wanted to know answer of his 3 questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. What was Karna famous for? Karna from Mahabharata used to give away everything he had, which even included his gold earrings. Did the farmer forget his virtues after becoming rich? He did not. The kind farmer bought a piece of land, hosted a feast for his friend, and helped his poor neighbors when he became rich. Now let's discuss fill in the blanks. When using your credit card, it is very easy to get into debts. The second one, second thought, I think I will have the salmon. On second thoughts, I think I will have the salmon. Third, the winning numbers are all chosen blank random. The winning numbers are all chosen at random. We all laughed at him when he turned up at school, blank his pajamas. We all laughed at him when he turned up at school in his pajamas. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.